Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A senior Republican in Congress asked Tesla to detail its relationship with Chinese battery manufacturer CATL, amid concerns US electric vehicle subsidies were improperly flowing to foreign entities. Investors scrambled to reel in bets that the Bank of England will raise interest rates again after weaker than expected inflation data suddenly made that prospect much less certain. Bitcoin trading volumes on Binance have tumbled this month as lawsuits and regulatory scrutiny mount on the world's largest crypto exchange. Binance's 7-day average spot BTC volume is down 57% since the beginning of September.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's GfK consumer confidence will be released at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence ADGE at 0430 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 2330 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.